Okay, so it's a new day. I finally fixed up the microphone. You can hear me nice and clear, hopefully. So what we're going to do now is, this is MSI. We've got the keyboard and we've got a new GPU, and we're going to replace those two. And let's see if this computer will boot. Let's give it a go. So these are remaining screws and bits and skeletons. That's the old GPU. That's the old heatsink. Any more screws here? Nope, nothing. Good. Put that on the side. Okay, first thing, I want to check out the GPU. GPU arrived this morning. I haven't had a chance to test it. So we'll do an unboxing straight on the video. Hopefully no damages or scratches or bends or whatever. Here we go. This supplier does sell a bunch of GPUs, so they know what they're doing, I guess. This is the exact same model, same spec. Alright, so ideally we're going to put new thermal paste on this too, but we'll do that after confirming that it works. Otherwise we're just going to What's wrong? Why don't you want to go in? Oh, okay, in this model this has to come out. Okay. Lucky I didn't push that in. Otherwise, bang! See you later, GPU. Okay. Okay, just one screw. Alright. We'll do a full cleanup shortly. Just make sure that this GPU works. Okay. Alright, that's done. And if I get a screen display, that's good, I'm happy. And I'll disassemble the unit and do a proper installation. Okay, so we got one hard drive in there already. Okay, I don't know what the battery life on this guy will be. I don't think it will be any good, but let's try. Press the power button. Oh, it's on, okay. And do we have screen? Something wrong? Windows is definitely loading. It's either incompatible firmware of the BIOS chip. Okay, one sec. Okay, computer hasn't booted up. I mean, nothing on the screen yet. This isn't good news. Okay. Just gonna turn this computer off. Okay. Alright, so this isn't good news at the moment. Okay, let's reset the BIOS. Take the battery out. Power button a few times. Okay. Alright, and this time we'll plug in the power cable from the back. See the reaction. And we don't have a screen. I will connect an external HDMI connection. See what will happen. And that is connected to the external screen. We don't have any display on the external screen yet. Nothing happening. Computer is definitely on. Hard drive light blinking. Keyboard backlight. Movie mode, turbo mode. Okay. Let's cut the power. Let's focus on this GPU. It's the exact same GPU. Try one more time. Power on. Normally we should see something on the screen with HDMI. I'll connect HDMI again, so we turn it on with the HDMI in there. And the screen is still orange, waiting for the screen to become black, meaning signal is coming in, but nothing at the moment. Still nothing, and it is booting Windows, the hard drive activity going on. Nothing. So what do we do about this now? Only thing I can think of is transferring the BIOS chip over. Apart from that, nothing. Alright. I'm going to just message the seller. Yeah, what I'll do, I'll post this video. Can't think of any other solution. Come on, add a photo. Got it. Alright, so the only thing I can think of is transferring the BIOS chip over. And we'll give that a go. I can't think of anything else. Okay. We'll do this carefully. Okay. So this is the one we received. The memory chip is right there. 12G. And have a look at the other one too. Alright, so we don't screw it up. The dot on this is on the far left, bottom left corner. The dot on this is on the middle, okay? Top middle, okay. So let's take this guy out quickly. Hello, Yenge. Hey, good mate, yourself? Hmm. They're getting. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, okay. Maybe I can because how did you create that one before? You create or they create? Okay, let me have a look, mate. One sec. Okay, the seller responded that he also tested the GPU before sending. Um, well, I already removed his BIOS chip. I'm just going to remove my one. Alright, so I'm going to put my BIOS into his motherboard now. Okay. So we are now running his GPU with our BIOS chip, just to rule it out. They should be running the same firmware unless MSI puts some special code in on there, so I'm not sure. I just want to see an image on the screen. Power cable in, power button, power on, and yes, I fixed the issue. Yes, we're at the login screen. Beautiful. Alright, I just told the seller that I actually got his one working. Wonderful. Alright. We'll shut this computer down properly. That was a bold move to transfer the GPU BIOS chip, but at least I fixed the issue. Alright. Power off. Yeah. So let's do this job properly. What I'd like to do is, in fact, is first replace the keyboard as well. See if I need to remove any other screws for keyboard. We got the keyboard package here. It's great to work with suppliers who do what they say, deliver on time, have the right stock. Makes big difference. Okay, so it looks like this one has no screws on the bottom. It's all on the top part, meaning we may need to peel the top part of the keyboard. Correct, okay. So let's do that. GPU is currently safe here. We can leave it as is. We're gonna remove it shortly. But I do need to remove the top panel, which is this very nice looking top panel. And I wonder if they use screws around it. I'm assuming they do. Here we go. Okay, so just make some assumptions. Maybe 1. Yeah, maybe just 1. Okay, there's no screws there. Okay. Alright, we need a tool to open up this area. Okay. Alright, nice. Nice. Okay. No, it's the keyboard goes there. They removed it. I understand that part. But I don't understand this part. What's happening here? Let me see. Maybe. Let me check the other one. Yeah, okay. So it looks like you have to actually remove the ribbon connected there. Pull that out. And then this guy should just come out just like that. Nice. Now here in this case we got the keyboard. So the keyboard looks like should be a double side tape. No, they haven't got it on this one. Okay, so that will go. We need to peel that off. Okay, that's done. And this guy, oh shit, the wrong one. Okay, nice. This guy, white side facing down, has to go like that. Somehow magically. Okay. This is the backlight lights configuration. Hi. Nice. So technically the keyboard, if there isn't any issues internally with the motherboard, keyboard should just work beautifully fine. Okay, and power on the unit. Power on and delete. Nope, we missed the BIOS. Hopefully it's working. Our keyboard is working on the login screen. Nice. It's a keyboard backlight. Oh, there we go. Nice. It's coming on. Oh, beautiful. It's got those nice lights around it. Okay. I can't show you the screen, but I'll type in the password for the Wi-Fi. Yes, we need to turn the Wi-Fi on. It's currently off. There we go. On. Connect. Yeah. Oh no, that's a problem. Okay, there's a problem. Some keys are not typing, some keys are typing weird. Okay, is the language maybe international language? Let's choose US keyboard. Nah. So we've got a problem with either the keyboard or something else. So what we're going to do now, double check its connections. Could this be a case that the connector is the issue? Never an easy job, you know. Always something not right. Okay, try the keyboard again. One is not typing. I know the problem. It's typing now. Yeah. Try again. Come on. It did type earlier. Try again. Sometimes it needs to be bent. Complete angle. No. Okay, we're gonna deem this as a keyboard failure. And out of curiosity, I also would like to know what was the issue with the original keyboard. So let's just put it to the side and disconnect that LCD, the keyboard backlight ribbon. Okay, I've disconnected that and remove this keyboard because I never looked at the original issue of the keyboard. So let's have a look at the original issue. backspace works. This one works. So what's wrong with this keyboard? Why did I disconnect it? Ah, some of the keys are not pressing properly. Okay. Alright. So we do know the problem is with my new keyboard is not compatible, or it has definitely a fault. And this one may have been replaced before as well. Okay. Maybe not. No, this is original. Okay. Alright. We'll just speak to the supplier for the second one now, the second keyboard, and see what they want to do. So officially this is a complete video so far. Like there's nothing else to show. We just get a replacement keyboard and away we go. And if I need to make a third part, I will do it. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.